surgeon to auto mechanic. Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Self the Line Surgeon, and I am back home with nothing to do. Well, actually, I got a lot to do, but nothing to do it with. My good old Titan here, the brake booster was messing up, and hopefully the actual brake booster is messing up the actuator. So hopefully that was just a random thing. So I'm gonna drive it and see if it messes up again. But something that does need to be changed is the ball bearings, the right ball bearings to be exact. And I got my Astrovan hooked up to my trailer, but the lights are messed up, so I can't use that. Can't use my truck, and I gotta get something working. So today I'm gonna try to change the ball bearings myself. As you can see, I got me a new jack here. It's kind of a cool jack. It's like a hybrid jack, because for most of you that know, the jacks that come in this size, them other jacks in the shed, but jacks that come in this size usually are like 1.5 tons. This is a 3-ton, up to 6,000 pounds, which I thought was pretty cool. And the even cooler thing about it, two cool things about it, is it was only $66. Two, it has this extra extension here, which gives it high lift, and that's what I need for my truck here. My truck is very high. I have a jack with it, but you know, ain't nobody got time to be cranking all that all day. I wanted a hydraulic jack. I saw this bad boy for 66 bucks. You can't beat it. One of those big, and one thing people say, it's lighter, but it still lifts the weight. So other cool thing I got is an impact wrench. I got the wire because most of the time what I'm gonna be doing is at the house, and I won't have to worry about batteries and stuff. I got me a 37-piece impact, and then I got me a 32 millimeter socket, because I think I'm gonna need that to get off the main nut on the hub of the bearings. So yeah, I am set up to go. So I'm gonna crack all this stuff open and get this wheel off. Alright people, so as you can see, I got it all the way down. For those who don't know, this is the bearing right here. But took all the bolts out. But you know, I guess by being in there for a while, kind of rusted in there, so I'm gonna have to knock it out or pry it out. I'm gonna figure something out, but I'm gonna get it. Oh buddy, so I had to switch cameras. As you can see, the quality. Anywho, the other one ran out of battery and card. Anywho, my friend called my friend. He was telling me I could either use a pulley puller or do something where it was a lot more complicated than a pulley puller. So as you can see, got my good old pulley puller out. It's kind of funny where I got this from. I rented it from like AutoZone. You know how like you pay like double the price for it and you rent it, and then when you bring it back you get money back. Well, I never took it back, so anywho, let me get set up here, see if we get this bad boy out. Come on. I'm glad I disconnected that cable first. Oh, buddy. Oh. There you go. Went from lawn surgeon to auto mechanic. Yes, sir. All right, people, I'm back at the house. Y'all see my mess here. Got it off. There's the old one. There's the new one in the box here. So, bam, bam. About to get this stuff taken off, or taken out the box and get it on. Yes, sir. Alright, people, as you can see, I got the new hub on. You can see it's the shiny part inside the the rusty part. So Got the hub on, got the caliper back on, and I'm about to put the tire back on. So I think me changing my wheel bearings turned out pretty successful. For the first time, don't know how to do anything, but this is why I make these videos, people. If you don't know how to do something, ask a friend, YouTube it. Most of the time it's not that hard. If it gets into something complicated, then that's when you might want to get a professional. But I'm not telling y'all to go out here and like change the engine or nothing. But this might help you. Doing something like this might save you a little money. This saved me actually like a couple $100. They were about to charge me $500 to do this. So it wasn't that hard. So thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and make sure if you haven't hit that bell by the subscribe button, and make sure you get all the notifications, please do so. Yes, sir.